Another shader in surface is a cloud for creating a cloud texture like this. You can open it and now you can see you can see you can change the color with this gradient from the blue to the white. It means this it's a cloud, it's the sky. You can change the color that you want and animate. It does not have any animation. Frequency U, you can change the scale of your clouds in this direction on this in this direction. Level, it change density of your cloud, more cloud or less. If you have all file of Cinema 4D, you can activate this mode to load them in new scene. That's it.